If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat not letting you create new account, you've come to right place. So sometimes if you're going to open this Snapchat and you'll try to create new account, you'll receive some problems or some errors. So how can we fix it? Basically nothing hard, and all we need to do is just simply follow these steps I'll show in this video. So close the Snapchat, and from this page here just simply open the App Store or Google Play, depends on your mobile type. And after that, search for Snapchat. So we need to find an official page of the app. And here, open it. We need to click on like basically update or upgrade if you have this button instead of open. As you can see, I have like only open button. It means that I have the latest version. And you need to do the same. You need to update your app to the latest version, which is possible, because sometimes it leads to like you receiving these errors or messages because they want you to create an account if you have like not the latest version. The next thing we need to do is that we need to open our settings. Also on the iPhone it looks like this, or the Android it may look a little bit different, and we need to scroll down to find basically Snapchat. And here make sure that like a background app refresh feature is turned on. So it could be like one more reason why can't you create new account. Then scroll to the upside and here go to general and click on iPhone storage. So on the Android, the navigation could be a little bit different, but you need to find the same like page with your storage settings. And here we need to wait until everything will be updated. And after that, we need to find the Snapchat app basically. So it may take a little time, depends on our like storage amount and so on. So maybe 5 to 10 seconds. And here we need to scroll to find the Snapchat. And we have a couple of options: offload or delete app. We need to click on offload, and after that, as you can see, this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will retake your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So we need to offload app and then just reinstall it. So click on it and then just click on reinstall. So it will like refresh your caches and so on. So after that, go to Snapchat and try to create new account. So this is definitely the easiest way of how can we fix this problem. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.